Hello and welcome to Life Stationeries. I'm just going to do a quick, fast video. I've been having problems with my phone. So when you get a book, you got the first couple of pages, and you start tearing your pages out of your book and everything, and you come to these. It's got the title of your book, who wrote it, the year, maybe. They're all different. And so these are the first couple of pages that you tear out. Instead of just throwing these away, we can take them and let's get one that's really nice already. So, here's this one. It's got my Webster dictionary. It's got all the years and everything. This was made in '05. So, for some of these, you're going to have to double them up. But you pick what side you want, and if say you need to double it up because this is really thin, take your glue-in station and remember, get your corners really, really good. This paper's not old, but some of these are old, so you don't want to rip them too much, but you don't want to have to pull it apart either to get it to glue down. Make sure it's all sealed up. And then this one can go like this. And tear it in half. Very simple. Our glue's still wet. And I'm going to put our Webster's dictionary upside down so it looks like an M, and this side will be easier for me to cover. So then I'm going to take, and actually I might fold this one in half. That way I can show you both of these. It's my dog Buddy coming to say hi. He's been playing. And I take and I fold it just like this, corner to corner. I give it a little pinch right there, not all the way down, just a little pinch. Take your hole puncher and just slightly put it in there, and it gives you a little tuck for smaller items. This one I'm going to fold in half. Yeah, it's not even on the top. I tore kind of at an angle. It's okay. Don't have to be perfect. And I'm taking that line and lining it up with that center dot. And that's how I'm getting it in the center. So for these, I would take them, let's find a contrasting page. And I got my white glitter glue here. And putting that on my magnet. I take this and glue aside, glue aside. We're going to take and glue aside, all at once. Glue the bottom on this side. This is the back. This is our folding part. A little bit more glue right here. So then you take it, you place it where you want it. You close it with all your excess glue off. There's a double pocket right there. This one we're going to take, we're going to do a U-shaped glue. U or horseshoe, whatever you would like to call it. Put that on there. Place it where you want to. So then, I have two pockets out of paper that I'm still using instead of throwing away just because it's got, names on it. And I've got big pockets. Maybe I'll cut this in half and use it as two pockets. Hallmark card. This was Poems from 1937, renewed in 1965, and again in 1969. This was the Handyman book from the 1950s. This was this book, let's see, from 1931. So, I mean, I would put that out, 1931. They don't need to know what book it is, but that would look kind of neat on a paper. And then how you place these, that's where I'm covering. So this one's upside down, so I can cover that. Again, my name is Kylee at Life Stationeries. I hope you found useful ideas here, and do enjoy. I will see you next time.